Put it behind you. All right. Stop resisting. You got 3 of us here. All right. Good.
What's up, everyone, and welcome to the video. On today's episode of Delinz Reacts, we have a shoplifter that just took herself out, running from the police, and literally ran into a pole. This video is courtesy of our friends over at Bodycam, and without further delay, let's get into the video.
Come here. Don't buck. Over there.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Come here.
Get over here! Oh, she's a runner. She's a runner. Oh, shit. Hold on. Hold on. We gotta watch that again. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. And he got the taser out.
Please don't. I need to do nothing. Wait, my room. Hold on. Wait, I saw my teeth.
Okay. Put it behind you.
God.
All right. Stop resisting. You got 3 of us here. All right. Good. All right.
Wait, put my teeth.
Here. All right. Hey, I'm taking this out of her.
I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta see that one more time. That is insane. I cannot believe.
Nope, we're not doing that. All right.
I gotta watch that one more time. Y'all gotta see this one more time.
You got knocked the fuck out, man.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Wait, my room. Hold on. Wait, I saw my teeth.
Okay. Put it behind you. Behind. All right. Stop resisting. You got 3 of us here. All right. Good. All right.
Wait, put my teeth.
Here. All right. Hey, I'm taking this out of her hand because it keeps ringing.
Shouldn't have ran, huh?
Let
I need this one
let
for
go.
my mom.
Nope. We're not doing that. All right. I will bend this back if we have to.
My
All right,
mom.
here we go. Stay under that because I don't want her to. Okay.
My
She dropped.
I mean, is the pole okay? Because she
Mom,
look at
I
him
need to call
kept
my mom,
ticking.
please.
Absolutely.
Please don't take me. Where you going? I didn't do nothing, man. I just was trying to contact to see what's going on.
Did you hear? You probably didn't hear it over me, but the guy, I guess that was filming, somebody that was filming was laughing too. And so I know y'all probably think I'm a horrible person for laughing, but don't lie. I know you laugh too.
I called the police myself just now.
Did you?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit!
That's what I'm saying. That's what I thought I was trying to complain me for what I
Oh, I think she knocks her teeth out. Oh shit! Look, I think her teeth are gone, yo.
just did. And I just got the phone with them. And I told them that I didn't do anything. Sir, can you please answer for ma'am? Can you please answer for me? Sir, please.
What? We're gonna have a long time to talk.
I don't want a no time to talk because I was trying to verify myself with the police. So that's why I thought when you running after me, I thought that y'all was trying to blame me for what's going on. And I didn't do anything.
I got you.
Of course,
That's
she didn't
what
do
I'm
anything.
saying.
Let me. Of course.
Can I please call the police, sir?
Oh, this is in Daytona Beach.
Please, sir, please. Hey, step down my chair.
Let's get this off.
I don't mind getting it out. Can you please call the police? I just brushed my mouth.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was
you
like
did.
the,
So bad, please.
spill you took.
Go up. All the way. This ain't gonna go very well. It's not gonna go well if you don't work with me.
I don't want you to go
Back up. Back up.
Sure, she on my leg. It hurts so bad.
I appreciate your help.
Anything?
Nope. You
Okay.
good. Thank you.
Sure.
Yes.
I'm talking to you, sir.
I'm listening.
I
Wow.
just got off the phone with them. I called to verify it.
Uh-huh.
what was going on. So I'm trying to figure out why was you running after me? That's why I didn't understand.
I didn't really run after you.
Huh?
I didn't really run after you.
No,
You
she
did.
stopped
You said
herself.
you was looking for me racially. That's what I'm trying to tell to you, sir.
Hi, Kristen. This is Officer Khan with the Daytona Beach Police Department. Did you call about some girl from the Dunkin' Donuts? All right, we have a girl over here that needs someone to ID her. You're saying no one could come identify her?
Somebody else
All right,
calling it in
I appreciate it.
and it turned
Oh, no problem. No problem. That's what we do.
Just beating up their roommate.
What's going on?
Oh, more phone calls. More phone calls, Jemiah. More phone calls. That's the criminal justice system. It's all about more phone calls. So they don't want to come ID because it's store policy not to do IDs.
What?
I could take this girl for RA and then sit at the horse bowl with her or cut her loose.
What kind of mess
So
is
RA
that?
it is. Mm-hmm. I have great news and less than great news. The good news is the business about the Coach store is straightened out for now, and you're not in trouble for that.
Okay.
The bad news is you're going to jail for RA.
What's that?
It's what they call when the cops are trying to talk to you and they have a reason to contact you.
Oh,
You
she's
shouldn't
going to
have
jail
take
for
off running.
Because I didn't understand what was going on. Sir.
Come on out of there. This is Officer Forrest. She is going to search you.
What in the world? They had me running from him, and I didn't even do what they said that I did. That's what's so crazy.
Can you turn around and face the car for me?
Please.
Face the car for me, please. Yes. Right time, seafood.
She runs into a metal hole, blows
She hit
out
that
her
joint
tooth
hard.
and knocks herself out just for like a second or two. And had she just stopped and talked to me, the girl didn't want to come do an ID, so she would have been cut loose. So there's no IDs at the Coach store. If you got a girl over here or a guy, hey, come look, ID this guy. Nope, corporate policy.
Coach don't prosecute
my-
criminals. So what
So
that tells me is you go
now
to Coach
you got
store and just steal
resisting
stuff and it's
arrest?
okay.
It's a little, they call it a VOP, a felony.
Oh, yeah.
Who's filing a complaint? How can I help you?
Yesterday, my cousin was at work. She on the phone, but she can't talk like that. She can't really talk, and her neck is messed up.
Okay, so
She can explain to you
Oh,
exactly
now they want
what
to file a
happened.
complaint.
he approached me. He parked over here by Under Armour. He approached me and said that I was being detained. And I asked him why was I being detained, and he was telling me that it was because of ongoing investigation. So I told him I already had called to verify myself. So I told him I don't have to speak to you while I walked out. So as me in the midst of walking, I walked off really fast. He was coming behind me. Well, I had him, me not paying attention, me trying to pay attention to him and me walking. I almost hit a pole. Well, instead of me hitting the pole, I tripped and fell. And when I fell, he slammed me on the ground and detained me.
No, you didn't fall.
But when he slammed me, I snapped it, bust my whole mouth open, and two front teeth came out my mouth. Okay.
You can flip through the pictures.
Well, fill out that.
Feel like this.
Yeah, if that's what you're gonna file a formal complaint,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll give it to his day shift lieutenant, because I'm the night shift lieutenant. And then either they'll call you or someone from internal affairs will call you. All right?
I'm finished filling it out. Man.
Okay. Okay. So I went in the back to look at the Axon cameras, because we all wear body cameras. So it looks like when he got to the Dunkin' Donuts, she had left. So as he was walking around the outlet, there were some customers. There was actually some off-duty police officers no, they don't work for us, just random off duty. Was like, are you looking for somebody? And he said, yes. They told him what store she went in. She was hiding behind a display. So he came from behind the display. He was like, hey, don't run. Where you going? You know, don't run. She takes off running. When she takes off running, she's looking back at him and she runs into a pole. That's what knocked her teeth out. And then she runs into the pole, she falls, she gets up, she grabs her phone, and that's when he handcuffs her. So he never throws her to the ground.
That's right.
No, when she actually got up, when she hit the pole, she got up.
Sure did.
And then that's when he grabbed her and just handcuffed her standing. He never put her back on the ground. Okay?
Now look how stupid they look, because she sat there and told a half truth, not even half truth. She just flat out lied. And so they had her, I guess her mama or her auntie or someone else come up there to try to file a complaint. But see, this is why they wear body cams, because you know these people are lying. And she definitely stole something, and that's why she took off running.
All right, you're welcome. Have a nice night. Thank you.
Yeah, she got exactly what she deserved, because she definitely stole something, because if she didn't steal something or wasn't guilty of something, you just don't take off on cops for no reason. So, and then she knocked her own teeth out by running into that pole. And my God, I could not stop watching it. That is just so funny, because I felt like she just got her just desserts. And the way that she just bounced up after hitting that pole full speed. I mean, this woman is a tank. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you think that the police should be sued because she knocked out her own teeth, or that she got exactly what she deserved? Let me know down in the comments. Well, you have reached the end of yet another D-Lens Reacts video. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time that I drop a new video. And remember, on Wednesday nights at 8:30 p.m., I do go live to discuss some of the foolishness on social media. So me and usually a guest will make an appearance. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.
Yeah.